Dear students, now you'll be going for the second session of SRTs. You will learn something, how we can resolve, and this would be helpful for you because every SRT is going to train you an attitude. Hope you will understand. Service entry candidate, it is very important as service entry candidate has exposure to the armed forces, so they are aware of the different challenges they face. Let's start with it, please. He is scolded by senior for poor conduct of his subordinate. As he is in charge, he will. Now he is in charge, so naturally he has to take responsibility. The subordinate has not given proper due respect. So what is he going to do? He is going to make sure that the subordinates follow him and subordinates follow the mistake and they correct the behavior. As you are supposed to do in class monitorship and the school as a principal, you need to know this, that you have to work in terms of dimensions to make sure that things do happen better. So you will understand where are the problems and thereafter he'll teach them what is to be done so that they can improve their behavior. Now this attitude you should have. आपके अगर सबॉर्डिनेट आपके नीचे जो काम करते हैं, आप इंचार्ज हैं, अगर आपकी बातें नहीं समझते या किसी कारण गलत व्यवहार करते तो आप इंचार्ज हैं, तो आपको उनको समझाना पड़ेगा, उनके साथ लग के उनके करना पड़ेगा, उनके आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, उनको अनुशासन का अनुभव देना पड़ेगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो यू गोट टू से दैट आई विल मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड and make sure that they next time behave better. Is it clear? Next. He is visiting home and leave and find that his brother, this again has gone bad, he is finding that his brother is indulging in corrupt practices. He will. वो छुट्टी में आया देखा brother is in corrupt practices. See, whatever, it is your brother, it is your colleague, it is your subordinate, it is your responsibility to make them do better and make them understand what is wrong, what is favorable for them, and this will improve their attitude. If this is not done, you will lose your brother, but you should be bothered about it. As a subordinate, as an in charge, you have to make sure that everybody listens to you and you are able to do that properly. So you make sure that your brother does not do the corrupt practices, tell him how it can be harmful, make sure that he does not do, convince him, and make sure that it is not done in time. Right, that is all. That is all. He has to travel in a special train. There are plenty of time to spend with his colleague, and as soon as he reaches, he will have to become busy and important. Now see, when you are traveling in a special train and you have plenty of time, what should you do? And you have important operation. Why don't you utilize the time, not for fun, but to plan the operations? Make a plan during the special train itself. Proactive action. आपका एक्शन जितना प्रोएक्टिव होगा, पहले से उसकी योजना करेगा वो. तो प्रोएक्टिव का एक्शन कीजिए, अपने सुधार करिए और इम्पोर्टेंट ऑपरेशंस को तैयार कीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और उसके बाद उसको कार्यान्वित करिए. Get it done. This is the way it has to be done. So you have to utilize the time properly. Of course, it will also utilize the time to connect with the group and make them very friendly and make them understand each other. Yes or no? So right. Next, he is given a task by a senior which he does not like at all. He will. देखिए, हर चीज पसंदगी नापसंदगी की नहीं होती. There are many things you have to do because you have to do. So you should do it. So it is not about his liking, disliking. He should still focus and concentrate and do it. And if he is asked later, would he like to do something, then he can tell. तब बता सकते हैं. But जब तक काम करे, मन लगाए. मन लगाना पड़ता, लगता नहीं है. Nobody gets to love. Everybody loves holiday, freedom to do anything. But duty is beauty. अगर आप उसको लगातार करते रहेंगे, आप उसको भी enjoy करेंगे. So enjoy your work. So the same thing he has to do is, he will take it as a challenge, he will do it, he will concentrate and do it better. Now next, he is given a task to design, plan and renovate a place. His subordinates are not cooperating with it. उसको नए जगह बनानी है, जिम्मेदारी उसकी, जूनियर उसकी सुन नहीं रहे. He will make them sit as a team. Make them understand what is the importance of the work. क्या काम की जरूरत है. Also take their suggestion. दूसरों से सुझाव लेने से वो जुड़ जाते हैं काम में. उनको साथ जोड़ दीजिए, उनकी टीम बना लीजिए. And take the suggestion, imply a new plan, and this will make them work and get the work done. Very good. So he has won a lottery of 20 lakhs. He will. Now 20 lakhs is not a big amount, but yes, it can be utilized. यहाँ पे वो आपकी planning देखेंगे कि आपकी सोच कैसी है. There are some people who are self-centered. They will only think of buying a car or something or the other thing. There are some people who will have a little better approach. They will think of family, they will think of parents, they will think of everyone. तो जिसों की सोच बृहद है, बड़ी है, सब लोग को सोच रही है, considering everyone, he is a team member, he is a team leader, he will always think. So he'll plan something for his parents, give something to his wife, and buy something for himself, as well as make sure for his children. This way you can divide the money. Now doesn't have to be equal money, it can be done as per your requirements. So this way, if you will write, it will be good. It will speak that you have a good planning thought process. There is nothing like best answers, wrong answers. Yes, if you write us and you give us answers, we will correct and let you know. But still, you should give the best answer. Open your thoughts to be a very responsible person for all. पेरेंट्स भी जिम्मेदारी में आते हैं, वाइफ भी आती है, बच्चे भी आते हैं, आप अपने लिए भी कुछ कर सकते हो और कुछ भविष्य के लिए. अगर यही 20 लाख रुपए की बजाय 1 करोड़ मिले तो आप बहुत कुछ चीजों को इधर इधर कर सकते हैं. राइट नाउ यू से आई विल बाय इट प्रॉपर्टी तो बहुत छोटी, पता ही नहीं चलता कितने में आई. राइट सो थिंक नाइस. नेक्स्ट ही हैज टू गो फॉर अ परेड एंड स्लिप्स एंड स्पॉइल्स हिज ड्रेस. परेड में जा रहा है, स्लिप कर जाता है, अपनी ड्रेस खराब कर. He is main person of the Nishan Toli. He will. Now presence of mind is required. Dress kharab ho gayi. So what he can do is either go and arrange another dress. If he is not getting it, time is very less. So he will request another fellow who is of his similar size to exchange few dress. And he is in the middle portion, so he can manage. But he in Nishan Toli has to manage properly. आया ना resourceful. जुगाड़ का आइडिया आया, बहुत अच्छा. कुछ सफाई कर लेगा, कुछ साफ करने की कोशिश कर लेगा, नहीं तो किसी से ड्रेस एक्सचेंज कर लेगा. हो सकता है कोई बाहर वाला हो, उसकी यूनिफॉर्म में अपनी चीजें डेकोरेट कर लेगा. सो ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस, हाउ टू सॉल्व, एबिलिटी टू सॉल्व, कैसे परिस्थिति को निराकरण करे, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. और अगर आप है बहुत अच्छी बात है. देयर आर सम पीपल हु क्राई, देयर आर सम पीपल हु सॉल्व. वी वांट यू टू बी सॉल्वर्स. ध्यान रखिएगा. नेक्स्ट, he is to appear for a departmental exam and he has a week time only. Through the course study may require more time. He will see whatever the time may be. If you plan properly, if you work hard, if you reduce your eating and tend to concentrate and try to reduce sleeping, अगर आप सोना रोक दे, थोड़ा खाना पीना कम कर दे, तो आप वही समय को बड़ा कर सकते हैं. You can utilize it and multiply it to bigger level. So the same thing you should do. You should take it as a challenge and complete the study. टाइम कम है तो क्या हुआ, मेहनत करिए, हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, he has to return to a place far away and he should travel alone in a goods wagon he will use. Now अगर आप कहीं अकेले जा रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे इतना लंबा? You are going for a long, utilize it. What do? Like reading good books, making some plans, writing down plans, writing down perspective. जो thinking mind होता है कभी भी खाली समय को बर्बाद नहीं करता. He always utilizes it in a nice way. He uses it for further planning. He writes down the points. He plans a strategy. That is the way you should do, और यही आपको करना चाहिए. He is in charge and has to organize the unit function in a day's time, but suddenly comes to know of his mother's serious accident. अब unit का function है, mother का serious accident, ठीक है, but unit function duty है. मैंने बोला नहीं, duty से आप पहचाने जाते हैं. This is the base. Yes, mother is important, but duty also is important. So what are you supposed to do? Rush your mother immediately to make sure that she gets the best of doctor, best of the hospital, best of the ICU. Submit the money, let the doctors and the nurse take care, and you come back and do your duty. Now this is called emotional intelligence. आपकी अच्छी emotional intelligence होगी तो आप emotion से प्रभावित नहीं होंगे, बल्कि उस परिस्थिति पे अच्छा करेंगे. You will do well. So do that. That is very important. Next, he is in charge of CSD fund and his senior wants him to give him loan for his business emergency from the same. He will. देखिए वो मांग रहे हैं आपके अधिकारी. Don't do that. You think he is a person, you give your personal help. You politely tell him, sir, I'm sorry, not from CSD fund, but anything I can give personally I will do. Do it on personal basis, but do not do on official basis. You will get in a bad trap. Even in personal basis, do only that you can manage. So help, don't have bad attitude, but be very clear. Don't mix duty, don't mix other fund anywhere. and don't get misguided by others. दूसरों से दिशाहीन मत बनिए. कई लोग अपने समय में दूसरों से दिशाहीन होके अपना नुकसान करते हैं, अपनी चीजों को बर्बाद करते हैं. वो नहीं करना चाहिए. आगे बढ़ते. Next we've got, he was helping his friend in shifting of his luggage to another quarter. His friend blames him of theft of few material. आप मदद कर रहे थे कि उसके लगेज पहुंचे और उसने बोला कि कुछ चोरी हो गया. देखिए, there is no doubt that if you are genuine, you will be helping. So don't have patience. Maybe due to panic he is saying so. Search the material. Search if someone has wrongly misplaced it. If you were there, you will find out. तो चोर को ढूंढिए, find out the thief and solve the problem. This way, what are you doing? You are basically not taking negatively. You are taking things as it comes. आप उसको सॉल्व करने की क्षमता रखते हैं. आप उत्तेजित नहीं होते. You don't get emotionally disturbed, but you solve. That is something which we want. Next, he gets an information that one of his colleagues, along with seniors, is indulging in leakage of secrets he will. अब आपको मालूम है ये गंभीर आरोप है, गंभीर परिस्थिति है, पर इस पे आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिली, ये सच है झूठी है तो नहीं पता. What are you going to do? Whenever you get such information, you should immediately get into action to identify, to watch, to be vigilant, find out whether it is true or not true, and along with it, inform the authority. Let the authority also take the action. Give the source where you have got it from. कहाँ से तुम्हें पता चला? But work as a system. Think of organization, but don't become agitated to rush and fight. Be watchful. किसी के आरोप को तेजी से नहीं बढ़ना है, सतर्क हो जाना है, उसको देखना है, समझना है, बाकियों को सतर्क करना है, संस्था को सतर्क करना है. After all, you soldiers are really serving the country and you should secure the country and the organization. ठीक है. Next, we come down to he one day comes across certain miscreants who wants to rob him of his two-wheeler as well as purse. They have weapons with them, he will. अब वो लोग two-wheelers, उसका वो पर्स और ये सब, और उनके पास वेपन है, तो क्या करेंगे? देखिए, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे हैं, फौजी लोगों के अक्सर खून में उबाल होता है, वो गलत बात है. उनको बहादुरी को बुद्धि के साथ जोड़ना चाहिए. उस समय उन लोग का पल्ला भारी है. They are stronger, so he should understand and give them their things. And also identify them politely. Not try to say, I will take care of you, I will blame you. Don't become a movie hero. In the movie heroes, there are so many bullets which does not touch the hero. In real life, one single bullet is enough. So real thing ko jara yaad rakhiye and you talk wisely. So what will you do? He will give them the things, but watch them carefully, inform the police, inform the other authorities, and surround them and get hold of them and get the vehicle back also and punish them. बाद में करिए, रंग बदलना पड़ता है, कई बार युद्ध में अपने आप को संभालना पड़ता है. Go ahead. Next, we come down. You are permitted to use your annual leave. How will you use your 2 months leave? अब 2 महीने की आपको छुट्टी मिली, आपको क्या करना चाहिए? You should complete all your responsibilities towards your family. You should utilize that for making planning for the future, for consolidating pending works. जितने वर्क काम कम हैं, नहीं हुए हैं, complete it. This is the time. You should pre-plan it. अगर आप में अधिकारी को देख के आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो you will realize that they keep planning. Okay, I'm getting 2 months leave. I'll go here, I'll do this duty, I'll do this. They don't go out for a picnic, but they plan their things so that they are able to do it. Remember, आप भी फौज में हो तो आपने भी प्लानिंग सीखी है कि मैं ये कर लूंगा, इतने दिन उधर, इतने दिन. ज्यादा मत व्यतीत. डोंट इमोशनली वेस्ट योर टाइम. 2 महीने तो हैं, जल्दी फटाफट सब चीजें पूरी करिए. अगर बच्चों की पढ़ाई से संबंधित है वो पता लगाइए, वाइफ की हेल्थ से संबंधित, घर को बनाने से संबंधित है, पिताजी की देखभाल है. एवरीथिंग कैन बी मैनेज, बट मेक अ प्रोएक्टिव प्लान. पहले एक्टिव होके प्लान बनाइए. सो से I'll make a proactive plan and make sure that I utilize everything and complete all pending works. Help utilize the time for planning, utilize the time for benefit of family. Also, certain projects which will happen. कई लोग क्या करते हैं, छुट्टी में ही अपनी अन्य तैयारी भी कर लेते हैं. स्टाफ कॉलेज देना है, कुछ देना है, So they utilize that time. They go down, find out, and do it. Next, we've got, he had an argument with his neighbor, and now the neighbor is not talking to. See, there are many times when you will have arguments, you will have differences, because there is a difference of opinion. But you, if you are mature, अगर आप परिपक्व है, तो you should go forward and say, okay, let it be bygone, बात को टालो, आगे I'm sorry, नेबर को sorry बोलने में कुछ जाता नहीं, उस किसी तरह solve करके आगे बढ़िए. This is the way you can be a mature father, mature officer, mature commander, and you have to mature up and you should take the initiative to resolve conflicts. जितनी ज़्यादा खत्म हो जाए, और ये कोई conflict तो है नहीं, ये तो एक normal सी बात है, so you can always do that. Let's go further. Then we have got his security in charge, and late night he hears gunfire shot from in the premises. Possibly quarter guard में ऐसा लगा किसी ने गोली चलाई. See, you are a security in charge. You should immediately become alert. You should inform the authority, the people, as per process, the duty officer, the duty clerk. Also, with precaution, rush there, but also identify what has gone wrong. And if you find there is serious problem, immediately inform the military police, other places, and also the safety. Now, what happened in Pathankot? In the air base, there were wrong people who entered. What were they doing? They were creating the same problem. कई बार कैंटोनमेंट एरिया में ऊट पटांग लोग पहुंच के कैंटोनमेंट की सुरक्षा बिगाड़ते हैं. तो आपको क्या करना है? सतर्क होना है. छोटा सा भी अंदेशा मिल गया, तुरंत सतर्क हो जाइए. पूरे प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करिए. Remember that. That is all they are expecting. His close friend has taken huge loan from mother and lost all the money in gamble. As a friend you will. देखो, अगर तुम दोस्त हो और किसी ने जुए में पैसे बर्बाद कर दिए, पहले तो उसको डांटना है, उसकी काफी सारी चीजों को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, और धीरे से उसके भाई जो लोन लिया है उसकी मदद करने में, उसकी जो अन्य एसेट है वो देना है, कुछ अपना सहयोग करना है, पूरा नहीं. याद रखना, डोंट ट्राई टू प्रिटेंड यू आर अ बिग हार्टेड फ्रेंड. डोंट, बिकॉज ही इज ऑलरेडी गैम्बलिंग. और उसको डांटना है. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट ही डज नॉट डू इट अगेन. And watch him, help him little, not too much. He may be a friend, but person who's in the negative side will not be a friend forever. So remember that. So जो लोग जुए, जो लोग अपने धुएं, मतलब अपने घमंड या अपने नशे के आदी हो जाते हैं, वो किसी के नहीं होते. So remember that. Arrogant people are of no one. Drunkard people are of no one. Similarly, the people who are gambling are of no one. The people who are greedy to become very rich are of no one. So always the balance is of everyone. Remember that. Next, his quartermaster is informed that the supply of eating material is not proper. अब खाना अच्छा नहीं है, तो he will automatically, if it is not proper, he'll make sure that the material is proper. Identify where are the mistakes, कहाँ पे हैं. If it is milk is bad or any eating material, substitute it. Be a proper check. वो खुद रेगुलर चेकिंग करिए ताकि किसी की तबीयत ना खराब हो, ना ही नुकसान हो. So all these thought process of vigilance should come in. You should utilize the first time to become alert for the future. आपको पहले ही टाइम पे सतर्क होकर आगे के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. Okay, now we come down to your. He is out on leave in civil. छुट्टी में आया हुआ है. One day while he had gone with his wife in a lonely spot, some miscreant snatch his wife and take her away after tying him to a tree. He will. अब ये बड़ा दुर्घटनापूर्ण है. अब now look at this. They are unnecessarily putting you into an emotional turmoil. आपको काल्पनिक रूप से परेशान करने की सोच रहे. वो अति दिखा रहे हैं कि आपको बांध भी दिया गया आपकी वाइफ. Now here comes wisdom supreme. What are you going to do? Since you have been tied, you will have to have patience, but as soon as you get out of the, you try to break through the rope, use techniques, call out, somebody or the other will come. After that, get out of the tree. Thereafter, search your wife. If she has problem, help her. Inform the police. In case she has had a bad experience, take her to the hospital. Get her into normal thing. Be bold, be courageous. Don't lose your head. And thereafter, with the help of the police and other authorities, catch all of the miscreants, punish them. But यहाँ पे बहुत जरूरी है, you have to take care of your wife. You have to take care that her mental stature returns normally. So this way you'll have to show your courage and wisdom. That is more important. तो ये जो अति का है, इससे विचार बनेंगे, आपकी मेच्योरिटी बनेगी, आपका जीवन चालू रहेगा. There are many people who will take it as a do or die situation. No, life is not taken that way. Life is taken with wisdom. और अगर आप उसको करेंगे, अच्छा रहेगा. Hope you have learned from these 20 SRTs. Yet another thing, we'll again give you 20 more so that you can absorb all the SRTs and learn from it. Thank you very much, and thank you for taking care of country in the borders, taking care of every other place. God bless you. Jai Hind.